Hey you guys, guess what? We got a house. I am still literally like in shock. I am humbled. I am literally grateful and processing everything at the moment, and just like we're freaking homeowners. That's just insane. So I did a series of renovation slash like decorating and all that jazz on my TikTok. So follow me at Marie Besta Co. And I'm also uploading the whole like overview videos on YouTube as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And yeah, I'm literally changing the hardware of my kitchen, you'll see here, to black. Oh, from silver to black, and it changes literally the whole vibe of the kitchen, and it's super easy. Highly recommend. Just get a drill or a screwdriver, and yeah, it changes everything. I love it, and I love how modern and sleek it is. Little details like that can go a long way for sure. I just had a pizza break, as you guys saw. So yeah, it only took me, I think it only took me like overall, like if you put it all together, maybe like less than 20 minutes. So yeah, it was awesome. It takes some time and patience, but you'll get through it. Just vibe to a great song and time will pass. I also got the hardware from Amazon, so I'll link that down below. Had leftover hardware, so I actually did the bathroom as well, but I am literally going to change this to gold because I didn't really like the contrast of the black and gray. So yeah, you'll see an update soon. So then I did the curtains. Majority of these curtains are going to be at HomeGoods. I can't link it down below because HomeGoods, girl, is a treasure hunt. I started upstairs and then went downstairs to hang the curtains, but you'll see here something blocks my view at the right time. Yes, Gambit moved his ball, wanting to play. You'll see him roll around on the corner on the left. He's a menace, but yeah, I ended up doing it and loved it. I was trying to do the other side of the curtains, but found out that the curtains was too long. I wish, literally, again, it's a treasure hunt in HomeGoods on TJ Maxx, so I couldn't find the exact curtains from on the other side that I used at my other sliding door. So yeah, this was unfortunate. You'll see me like hanging it up with TY, and I'm like, what the fuck? It's so long. So advice, make sure you always measure. The next one I did was the bathroom curtains, and luckily this actually fit. So yeah, you'll see a lot of my color palette, which is basically like beige, neutral, grays, blacks, greens, like more like organic nature kind of vibe. So you'll see that around the house. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time.